What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nas. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about the Invesco mortgage capital stock that's in Robinhood. If you don't know Robinhood, let me say that again. Like I say in every video that I'm gonna make, Robinhood is when you invest your money on stocks. You don't need to pay monthly fees or weekly fees. It's a great app if you want to invest. If you want your money to be investing on good product, good stocks, and making your money back, or even getting more money than you invested on. Um, if you sign up for Robinhood, check out a link below. If you click on my link, you get a free stock. So if you ever want to join, do that with the link down below. So let's talk about Invesco mortgage capital. Since last week, on Friday, they made about 0.0200, so it's basically 0.58% returns, which is horrible, to be honest. I don't think this stocks it has potential of going anywhere beyond maybe $1 or less returns, just because it's been horrible. And looking at the stats, you could look at the graph right now. The beginning they dropped so much to a point they weren't making anything. Even if the stocks itself went up, they were trying to get some returns overall within the whole week. You could see the graph. They keep going up. Then you see they're going down a little bit, then going up again, which is horrible, to be honest. It has to have some sort of consistency. Like it should have potentials when you look at the graph, but unfortunately it doesn't. Even today, to be honest, if you look at Invesco mortgage right now, they're worth about $3.34, and they're down by 2.34%. No, actually, that was 1 week later, 1 week ago. Sorry. Today they dropped about 3.73%. That is horrible. A month ago they returned about 22.53%. I mean, it doesn't have a great consistency. I mean, it does get some returns, but it's not over $1, which is horrible. Um, let's look at some of the analysts, some of the people that are basically talking about the stock itself. So let's look at some of the. So if you go to stocknews.com, let me read you their summary on IVR. With 1R PCG ratio of 0.2, Invesco Mortgage is expected to have higher ratio of major expensive stock related to expected growing earning growth. So they're expecting that it's going to go up, but it doesn't have that potential yet. So the revenue growth over past 12 month, Invesco mortgage capital comes in negative, guys, negative 1,353. Basically, that is not the number that you would look for. That's about 0.7%. Uh, the shareholders measure how much capital returns to stockholders by dividends and buyback is 2,270,000%, which is greater than shareholder yield of 94%. Stock with similar metrics, market capitalization, and price volatility are the CHMI, AJX, DX, TRX. These are some of the companies that are basically in the same capital. They pretty much do the same thing. Then let's go somewhere else. Let's go where let's go to Yahoo for a second. And I'm pretty sure. So the Yahoo has given a analyst and rating, and 3 ratings have been analysts, they rated that the Invesco capital, they're really dropping way too much income, so much they're losing their returns. It's horrible, guys. I mean, it's a stock that basically, if a person buys a house and they're debt, they can't pay mortgage, they gotta give up the house. Certain amount of that money get get into that stock itself. I don't think it's worth buying IVR, to be honest. If you guys are even thinking about buying IVR, do some research, do some analysts, probably do a week of research, look at their graph, see if they're making anything. And if not, guys, I don't think that's an investment that you want to make. It's less than a $5 stock, which is not even getting so much return as it is. Overall, last week and this week, I mean, this week just started and they're dropping, man, they're dropping for sure. So if you guys enjoy this conversation, this me talking about some of the stocks that are potentially could have growth over past weeks or months, or some of the investments that you guys make on things that are not making that well, you could comment down below. Let me hear your thoughts about IVR stocks. Does it have potential or not? I think it's not worth it. This is your boy Naz, and I'm signing off. Okay.